Hello students, this is Rachel. How are you doing? Well, I'm doing just fine. Today we are going to study page 4 from your student book and you're going to learn about hobbies. Well, what do you like doing, by the way? I like reading books, doing volunteer work and making home movies, of course. Well, if you're ready to start, then let's do it. Let's start now Unit 1. I've been running. And I have here a warm-up question for you. What are some hobbies you know? Can you remember some names of hobbies? For example, watching TV, playing computer games, reading books. Yeah, these are some. And today we are going to learn more words. We are going to study about hobbies, and this is the vocabulary we are going to focus on now. Exercise 1. Look at the picture. What are the people doing? Write the correct letter. Okay, here from 1 to 8, you have many pictures of people doing many things. And here in this box from letter A to letter H, you have the options to complete the pictures with. You have names of hobbies like running marathons and making home movies. Please think and match the numbers to the letters on your notebook or on your book. Have you finished yet? So let's check. Number 1, letter H. Number 2, letter C. Number 3, letter B. Number 4, letter A. Number 5, letter D. Number 6, letter E. Delicious! I love cupcakes, don't you? Number 7, letter G. My uncle and my dad love taking photos. They're addicted to it. Number 8, collecting comic books. My brother has a collection of comic books. He loves Spider-Man, Superman, Batman, and so on. He has hundreds of comic books in his house. Well, I just like watching Batman movies. And you, do you have a favorite superhero? Okay, now please close your book. I need you to listen and repeat the words.
Unit 1. I've been running. Page 4. Vocabulary. Listen and check your answers. 1.
H. Flying kites.
2.
C. Doing volunteer work.
3.
B. Making home movies.
4.
A. Running marathons.
5.
D. Writing poetry.
6.
E. Baking cupcakes.
7.
G. Taking photos.
8.
F. Collecting comic books.
All right, in case you have bought the book, there is an online practice activity waiting for you on the internet for you to practice the vocabulary you have just learned, okay? Now please open your book. It's page 4. Let's answer now exercise number 2. Complete the chart with the words below, then add more words from the picture. The words are big dinners, music, yoga, classes, autographs, walks. You have to complete the chart with these words, for example, making big dinners. Notice that all the names for hobbies start with a verb, and this verb has ing. Can you see here? Making big dinners and taking and doing, collecting. So the names for the hobbies are not, for example, collect comic books, but collecting comic books, okay? Please pause the video and answer this exercise on your notebook or on your book. Are you done? So let's check. The answers are making big dinners, making home movies, and making music, taking classes, taking walks, and taking photos, doing yoga and doing volunteer work, collecting autographs and collecting comic books too. Any questions? If your answer is yes, please send me your question at the end of this video, okay? Let's try to practice. Do you like making home movies? Yes, I do. My friends and I post them online. So, try to speak to yourself. Instead of speaking to me, you are going to speak to yourself, as if you were in front of a mirror. Ask and answer questions, for example. Let me demonstrate to you. I could ask myself, Rachel, do you like taking walks? Yes, I do, but nowadays I don't do it very often because I have a baby to look after. Or, for example, do you like making big dinners? No, I don't, because I hate cooking. Anyway, here is a vocabulary tip for you. Learn common verb-object pairs. For example, collect. This is a verb. You can collect what? Collect comic books, collect coins, and collect dolls. It's good to remember words together like these, in pairs. Okay, and we are done. But now, before I just say goodbye to you, I'd like you to close your book again and I'll test you. I have 3 questions for you. I want to know if you can spell some words we have just learned, okay? Alright, let's start. How do you spell marathon? Can you remember? How do you spell marathon? Okay, close your book and answer the question. M-A-R-A-T-H-O-N. Okay? How do you spell poetry? P-O-E-T-R-Y. Very good. And how do you spell autographs? Let's see if you can remember this. A-U-T-O-G-R-A-P-H-S. Well done! Now we are officially over. We have finished page 4. See you again on page 5. Goodbye.